Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, oh my goodness. Control, 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 control. Okay, that is exactly what this world is coming to. All about controlling, controlling, controlling. Y'all, it's a lot going on that people are just not paying attention to. So y'all know how it is. When one thing happened in one state, it trickles down. It's almost like when one thing happened in one country, it trickles down to different countries. Okay, when one thing happened in one state, it 9 times out of 10 trickle down to another state. Y'all, let me show y'all this. I am gonna show y'all this so y'all in case y'all haven't seen it, y'all see it right from the, as they say, the horse's mouth. Okay, how we say the horse's mouth. All right, look at this right here and tell me we shouldn't be doing something to try to help ourselves. That's the key thing. Help ourselves. All right, y'all. So right here, I'm not going to read this whole article, but I just want to do some highlights. So if this is if this proposal or whatever goes through, the state of our I can't really say that. Our people that get food stamps, okay? They gonna ban you from buying a wide variety, right there, of food, including fresh meats, butter, and flour. Now, you know, that's just ridiculous, okay? Y'all can pull up this article and read it yourself and everything like that. This is what the article title is. But to me, that is just so ridiculous. Now, scrolling on down, look right here. It says other foods that will no longer qualify for food stamp purchases includes butter, flour, white rice, white bread, sliced cheese, cooking oil, herbs, spices, and coffee and tea, among other items. Are you crazy? Y'all, I don't see no, now it say among other items, but why you couldn't put cookies, cakes, chips, drinks, all that stuff? Now, if y'all remember, a couple months ago, they was talking about a wide range, not just this state, saying that they was gonna cut out sugar. I know back home, I heard that you can't even buy, I think, a 10-pound bag of sugar or whatever with food stamps. That's what I heard is going on, okay? So they already had talked about this. So now this particular state is saying that they trying to pass this bill where you can't even buy this stuff. So you got one area that's trying to make it whole where you can't buy, you know, all the like the unhealthy stuff. But over here, why herbs and spices, y'all? Sliced cheese and white bread. Okay, I get the white bread if they trying to make you eat healthy. But I mean, why you couldn't just throw in some cookies, some chips, or whatever? Hold up. That's not the kicker, though. They trying to get you to purchase only certain meats. SNAP recipients could no longer purchase meat other than certain varieties of canned tuna and salmon. What? So y'all can find this article for y'allself. Read it. I just want to, because y'all know how it is. When it happened in one state, if it happens in this state, other states start doing it. Eventually, this is the way it's gonna be, y'all. You are going to have to try to prepare and do things for yourself, okay? I already been saying it for a couple years now. I feel like things gonna get almost back to Great Depression type stuff. If not as dramatic or drastic as it was, it's gonna be close to it. And if you ain't growing your own food and trying to figure out some type of way to do something, you need to be researching different things that can replace things that you can eat and still get the same nutrients. You need to be getting your seeds. Y'all just getting food stamps instead of out here buying crab legs, steaks, lobsters, crawfish, and all that stuff. Yes, I'm saying it because I know what we used to buy back home. Growing up, people got food stamps, and they still doing it. You need to be buying fruit trees. Yes, there's people that don't stay in apartments, that stay in homes that has a backyard and stuff that you can put them trees in containers. Even if you own HUD, housing authority, whatever you want to call it, it ain't no excuse because everybody that's on that stuff is not just living in no apartment, okay? So you need to be buying fruit. You can buy fruit trees. You can buy seeds, y'all. Vegetable seeds. Fruit seeds. You can buy food seeds and trees with your food stamps. Come on now. This is ridiculous. Do you hear me? That's gonna be that old lab meat probably up in them cans. They're gonna stop you from buying certain fresh meats. And they already been saying that it may go to where things will be the lab meat will be good for you. So you can't control what nobody do, but you can kind of control to help yourself. Okay? So y'all see it for yourself. Y'all look this up, read the whole article, get all the everything, because there's some more good information in here. I'm just not going to go all the way through it. I just wanted to bring this to y'all attention. So y'all, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit that notification bell so we notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Just make sure y'all stay safe, okay? And do what you got to do. All right? Bye.